Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the super oxygen tank in Fisch. Oxygen is a crucial game mechanic, representing your character's breath meter. Without adequate oxygen, your adventure can quickly end. There are several types of oxygen tanks available, each offering increased duration and allowing you to explore more challenging areas. Understanding where to find and how to use these tanks is key to surviving the game's diverse environments. Your journey for better oxygen begins with the basic oxygen tank, available for 1,000 cash at the Northern Summit. This green tank offers about 6 minutes and 30 seconds of oxygen. Next, you can acquire the beginner oxygen tank for 3,500 cash in the Frigid Cavern. This red tank provides a noticeable upgrade, allowing you to venture further into the mountain's challenging terrain. As you continue your ascent, the intermediate oxygen tank becomes essential. Located at the 4th base camp in the cryogenic canal, this tank costs 10,000 cash. It provides a significantly higher oxygen capacity, making it ideal for navigating the increasingly thin air of the higher mountain regions. This upgrade is crucial for reaching even more elevated and challenging areas of the northern expedition. Finally, to obtain the ultimate super oxygen tank, you'll seek the advanced oxygen tank. This top-tier tank is located at the glacial grotto near the mountain's peak and costs 25,000 cash. It provides the longest oxygen duration, enabling you to explore the most extreme environments. Acquiring this tank requires a progressive journey through the earlier versions, as they are necessary to survive the climb to its location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.